Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aldi Dwi Kusuma from class 3L, number absent 3. In this video, I will explain the latest trend in IT. I will explain Go programming language. What is Go programming language? Go, also known as Golang, is a statically typed compiled programming language designed at Google. Go is a procedural programming language. Golang is open source, concurrent, garbage collected, efficient, scalable, simple, fun, boring to some. Next, history of Golang. Golang is a young programming language. In 2007, Golang was born. It was developed in 2007 by Robert Grismer, Rob Pike, and Cam Thompson at Google. Next, in 2009, Golang is open source. It became open source in November 2009. And last today, Golang is more popular. More and more developers use it. Today's today's version is 1.19. And the next design team of Go programming language, there are 3 people. The first is Robert Grismer. He is work in V8 JavaScript engine, Java Hotspot VM, and number 2, Rob Pike. He is work in Unix, Plan 9, and UTF-8. And last is Ken Thompson. He is work in Unix, Plan 9, B language, and UTF-8. Why Go? Go is an answer problems of skill at Google. Go programming language is C++ for servers, plus lots of Java and Python. Thousands of engineers, gazillions of line codes, distributed build system, and zillions of machines which are treated as a modest number of compute clusters. And next is Goose codes. Goose codes. There is 3 goals in Go programming language. Number 1, Go was designed by and for people who write and read and debug and maintain large software systems. Number 2, Go's purpose is not research programming language design. Number 3, Go purpose is to make its designers programming lives better. And the users of Go programming language there are 4 websites. Number 1, Google, and next YouTube, and next Docker, and the last is SoundCloud. Advantage of Golang. There are 5 advantages of Golang. Number one, Go grows faster than any other language. In early 2017, according to ZDNet's statistic, Go surpassed its competitors. The popularity was 2.6%, climbing from the 54 position in 2016 to the 13th position. Go is the only language with such rapid growth. Number two, Go compiled into many platforms. The Go programming language is also compiled like Java, but unlike Java, it requires Java virtual machines to execute because Java compiles into bytecode. Go in compiles to machine code so it can run immediately with operating system. It compiles without any further installation. That means from my computer, I can compile programs running on Mac, Windows, and Linux. Number three, Go use multiple cores. Multiple cores in the 1990, one of the major changes in computer hardware was the addition of quad-core and octa-core CPUs significantly improve performance. However, programming languages created before that time only run on single core computers, and they are built not intended to run on multi-core. But Go is different. The late born has created an advantage for it. Computer hardware can then core expand the core, making Go a language that can be more easily scaled. Number four, Go has concurrency and growth times. Concurrency is a key feature of the Go programming language to utilize CPU processing power. Usually, other programming languages must depend on the allocation of operating system resources to run concurrency, while Go can run concurrency without operating system dependency. Concurrency is similar to thread in Go. Communication between coroutine is quite simple with channel. Can transmit data between coroutine together by any kind of data. And the last, easy to maintain. Go syntax is extremely simple, without the complicated syntax like other languages. Go developers come from Google, a large-scale codebase place, and thousands of developers work together. So source code must be simple for any developer to understand, and each block of code will minimize side effects. That make that makes the code easily to be maintained and changed. And next, why we can say Go is special. Go ignores many features. No class, everything is bundled into buckets. Go only have structs. No inheritance support. no constructor, annotation, generics, or exception. That makes Go different from the rest. Looking at the positive side, it makes the code more concise and easier to understand. And there are some code, some example code by Go programming language. First, code for slice, and next, code for maps. Next, code for interface. And thank you for watching my presentation today. I hope the information I shared earlier can provide new insight and inspire. Sorry if there is a wrong word from me. Thank you and goodbye.